Here's a quick look at our Grasscloth install tutorial. As always, when you purchase your DIY kit, you will also receive access to full tutorials, supporting your decorative finish with all the insights, tips, and tricks you'll need for a successful application.
The first time you load a little bit more, but once the pad's saturated, you'll see. That is plenty of glaze to get started. So when I first hit the wall, I apply pressure, which makes it go on everywhere. But then once I have it kind of even, I kind of soften it out like that. You want to make sure that you don't get too much excess buildup on the wall you just completed. If it happens, soften it right out and it'll go away, but just double check. And then if you're, yeah. And here she goes.